Hello students, today we shall learn the topic factorizing the quadratic polynomial of the type ax square plus bx plus c. Let's move on the exercise 3.6. The first question, factorize x square plus 10x plus 24. So first identify the sum of the factor. The coefficient of x is 10, that is the sum of the factor. The product is the constant term. Here the constant term is 24. The product of the term is 24. First we identify the factors of 24. 1 24s are 24. But the sum should be 10. So 1 plus 24 is not possible. Second one, 2 12s are 24. But 2 plus 12, 14. It's not possible. A third one, 3 8s are also 24, but 8 plus 3 is not possible. So this one also wrong. Here 4 plus 6, 10. The sum of the factors should be 10 and the product should be 24. Here 4 plus 6. The sum of the factor is 10, but the product should be, that is 4 6 are 24. So the factors are x plus 4, here the variable is x. The first one, x plus 4, x plus 6. The factors of the quadratic equation is x plus 4 and x plus 6. Second question, z square plus 4z minus 12. Here the sum of the factor is, that is the coefficient of z 4, the product is minus 12. So we know that the factors of 12, 1 12s are 12, 6 2s are also 12, 4 3s are also 12. But the sum should be 4 and the product should be minus 12. So the only possible is 6 and 2. That is 6 2s are 12. Here 6 minus 2, that is 6 minus 2, the answer is 4. So put the minus in smaller number sign, then only plus 4. We get plus 4. So 6 minus 2, the answer is plus 4. Plus into minus minus, 6 2s are 12. The sum should be 4 and the product should be minus 12. So the factors are, the first one, here the variable is z. So z plus 6 one factor. The another factor is z minus 2. Third question, p square minus 6p minus 16. Here the coefficient of p is minus 6, that is the sum of the factor. What is the constant term here? Minus 16, that is the product of the factors. So first we identify the sum of the factor is should be minus 6 and the product is minus 16. So here 8 2s are 16, but here minus 6 there, so put the greater number sign, that is minus 8 plus 2. Here minus 8 plus 2, the answer is minus 6. So now plus into minus minus, 8 2s are 16. So the factors are p minus 8. The second one, p plus 2. Fourth question, t square plus 72 minus 17t. So first we rearrange the format, t square term and t term and constant term. So first write t square, then t term here minus 17t, the constant term is 72. First rearrange the format. Here the sum of the factor is, that is the coefficient of t is minus 17. The constant term here 72, the product of the term is 72. So the factors of 72 is 8, 9, that is 8 9s are 72, but here minus symbol is there, so put the sign minus, here also minus. So in addition, minus 8, minus 9, The answer is minus 17. So in multiplication, minus into minus plus 8 9s are 72. The factors are t minus 8, the first factor. The second one, t minus 9. Second question, factorize 2a square plus 9a plus 10. So first we identify the sum of the factor, that is coefficient of a, 9. So see the question here. The last previous question, the coefficient of a square is 1 only. Here no term is there. But here the coefficient of a square is 2. The constant term is 10. So the product of the factor is the coefficient of a square, that is 2, into the constant term, that is 2 10s are 20. The sum of the factor is the coefficient of a, and the product of the factor is the coefficient of a square into the constant term. The only changes only the coefficient of 2 into constant term, that is 2 10s are 20. Now identify the factors. The sum of the factor is 9. The product should be 20. So the factors are 5 and 4. That is 5 plus 4, 9. 5 4s are 20. Here the coefficient is 2a. Therefore, we divide 2a. Here also we divide 2a. So here cancellation not possible only. So 2 table 1 times, 2 table 2 times. So the answer is 2 divided by a. So this one write as it is, 5 divided by 2a. See the factor. So first factor is 2a plus 5. Listen carefully. The first factor is, see the denominator 2a. The numerator value is 5, that is plus 5. Second one, here also the denominator is a plus the numerator is 2. The factors are 2a plus 5, a plus 2. The second question, 5x square minus 29xy minus 42y square. Here two variables there. In quadratic equations only one variable, that is x square term, x term and constant term. Here consider the variable y as constant. So the sum of the factor is, that is the coefficient of x. The sum of the factor is the coefficient of x is minus 29y. So the coefficient of x is minus 29y. The product of the term, here the coefficient of x square is there. The coefficient of x square value is 5. So 5 into the constant term. Here the constant term is minus 42 y square. So 5 into minus 42 y square. So the answer is 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 5 4s are 20. So minus 210. This plus into minus minus 210 y square. So here variable is there. The sum of the factor is minus 29y and the product is minus 210 y square. So the possible are minus, that is 35. 35 6 are 210. So minus 35 plus 6. So minus 35 plus 6, the answer is minus 29y. So here variable y is there. So here also y. So minus 35y plus 6y is equal to minus 29y. So in multiplication, plus into minus minus, 35 6 are 210, y into y square. So here the coefficient is x square, coefficient is 5. So divided by 5x. Here also divided by 5x. So the first factor is, so 5 table 7 times possible. So minus 7y divided by x. The second one the same only, 6y divided by 5x. The first factor is, what is the denominator? Here x. So x minus 7y is the first factor. The second one 5x plus 6y. Third question 9 minus 18x plus 8x square. So first we rearrange the format. 8x square, the x square term, minus 18x plus 9. So x square term, the x term and constant term. So first we identify the sum of the factor, that is minus 18. The coefficient of x value is minus 18. The product terms here, the coefficient of x square is 8. So coefficient of x square into the constant term, that is 8 9s are 72. The sum of the factor is minus 18. The product is 72. So the factors are 12 and 6. So minus 12, here the symbol is minus is there. So minus 12 minus 6, the answer is minus 18. Minus into minus plus, 12 6 are 72. Here the coefficient is 8. So we should divide 8x. Here also 8x. So in 4 table, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. The first one minus 3 divided by 2x. Here in 2 table possible, 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So here the remaining one minus 3 divided by 4x. The factors are, the first factor is, the denominator is 2x. 2x minus 3. The second factor is 4x minus 3. Fourth question, 6x square plus 16xy plus 8y square. So here also two variables there. So consider y as a constant. Here the coefficient of x is the sum of the factor. So the coefficient of x is 16y. The product of the term is coefficient of x square into the constant term, that is 6 into 8y square. So 6 8s are 48 y square. The sum of the term is 16y and the product is 48 y square. So the factors are 12 and 4, that is 12 plus 4 16, 12 4s are 48. So here the variable is y. So here also y. So 12y plus 4y. So the answer is 16y. 12y into 4y. The product of 12y and 4y is 48. Y into y square. So here the variable is coefficient is 6. That is divided by 6x. Here also divide by 6x. So in 6 table, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So the first one is 2y divided by x. The second one, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So 2y divided by 3x. The first factors, x plus 2y. The second one 3x, the denominator is 3x. So 3x plus 2y. Sixth question, a plus b the whole square plus 9 into a plus b plus 18. Here the binomial term is given, the variable only. Just we take let a plus b equal to x. Here just substitute a plus b equal to x. That is x square plus 9x plus 18. The same method only here also. The coefficient of x is 9. Here the coefficient value is 1 only. So the product of the term is 18. That is the constant term. So the factors are, the sum of the factors should be 9 and the product is 18. So 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3, 9. 6 3s are 18. So here no coefficient is there. So you directly write the factors. The variable is x. The first factor is x plus 6. The second one x plus 3. So already we take, instead of x, we take a plus b. So just substitute here, x is equal to a plus b plus 6. Here also x equal to a plus b plus 3. Third question, factorize the first one, p minus q the whole square minus 6 into p minus q minus 16. So here also we take, let p minus q is equal to x. So here, so instead of p minus q, we substitute x. So x square minus 6 into x minus 16. So here the sum of the factor is minus 6 and the product is minus 16. So the factors are 8 and 2. So here minus 6 is there. So put the greater number sign minus. So minus 8 plus 2, the answer is minus 6. So in multiplication, plus into minus minus, 8 2s are 16. So the factors are x minus 8, x plus 2. So already we take the x is p minus q. So instead of x, we substitute p minus q minus 8. The second one, the x value is p minus q plus 2. Second question, m square plus 2mn minus 24n square. So here also two variables. So this is the quadratic equation in terms of m square. So here the coefficient of m is 2n, that is the sum of the factor. The constant term, so here this is the constant term only. So minus 24n square. The sum of the factor is 2n. The product is minus 24n square. The factors are 6 and 4. So 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. So here n is there. So small number sign only, here plus 2 only. So 6 minus 4. So 6n, the variable is n. Here also n. So 6n minus 4n, the answer is plus 2n. So in multiplication, plus into minus minus, 6 4s are 24, n into n square. Here no coefficient term is there. Just directly write the factor. The first factor is, the variable is m plus 6n. The second one is m minus 4n. So third question, root 5a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5. So first identify the sum of the factor, that is coefficient of a. Here the answer is 2. The sum of the factor is 2 and the product of the factor is, so coefficient of a square term is there, that is coefficient of a square is root 5 into the constant term. So root 5 into the constant number is minus 3 into root 5. Now plus into minus, minus root 5 into root 5, the answer is 5. So root 5 into root 5 means, so the value is 5. So 5 into 3, 15. So the sum of the factor is 2 and the product is minus 15. So the factors are 5 and 3. That is 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. 5 3s are 15. So here The sum of the term is plus only. Put the sign, minus sign, small number. So 5 minus 3 only plus 2. So plus into minus minus, 5 3s are 15. Here the coefficient of a square is root 5. So divided by root 5, the variable is a. So root 5a. So here also root 5a. So what is the factor? First one, 5 divided by root 5a. So now the 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. That is root 5 into root 5, 5 only. So 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. Here denominator root 5 into a. Now root 5 cancel. So the remaining one root 5 divided by a. The second one, so x is equal to minus 3 divided by root 5a. So now write the factors. The first factor is a. The denominator is a. So a plus root 5. The second factor is root 5a minus 3. So this is the factor. Fourth question, a power 4 minus 3a square plus 2. So here the power is 4. So this is not a quadratic equation. So we have to arrange the quadratic equation format. That is a power 4 can be written as a square the whole square. That is a power 2 to the 4 minus 3a square plus 2. So see the variable is a square only. Here now identify the sum of the factors. So here the sum of the factor is minus 3. So what is the product here? The coefficient of a square is 1 only. So in the constant term only the product of the factors 2. The sum of the factor is minus 3. The product is 2. So the factors are 1 and 2. That is 1 plus 2, 3. 1 2s are 2. But here minus sign is there. So put the minus here also. Here also. That is minus 2, minus 1. That is minus 3. So plus in minus into minus plus. 2 1s are 2. The factors are minus 1 and minus 3. So here the variable is a square. So the first factor is a square minus 1. The second one a square minus 2. So we know that a square minus b square formula, that is a square minus b square. Here a square, so 1 can be written as 1 square. So again we apply the formula. So a power 4 means we have 4 factors. So only 2 factors only here. So a square minus 1 can be written as a plus 1 into a minus 1. Here a square minus 2. So again we apply the algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square. So a plus b, that is a plus 1 into a minus 1. The second term write as it is, that is a square minus 2. So fifth question, 8m cube minus 2m square n minus 15m square. So this is not a quadratic equation. Here the power is 3. So we have to arrange the quadratic equation format. So here see the common term. Here m is common. Just take outside m. The remaining one 8m square minus 2, already we take m. So 2mn minus 15n square. So this is the quadratic equations. Write m as it is. Now we factorize. The sum of the factor is, that is the sum of the factor is coefficient. This is the quadratic equation in terms of m. The sum of the factor is, the coefficient of m is minus 2n. The product is, that is 8 into minus 15. So 8 into minus 15 n square So plus into minus minus, 8 15s are 120 n square. So the sum of the factor is minus 2n. The product is minus 120 n square. So the factors are 12 and 10. So 12 minus 10, that is minus 12 plus 10. The variable is n here. So minus 12n plus 10n. So the answer is minus 2n. So plus into minus minus, 12 tens are 120 n square. So see the coefficient here, 8m. So divided by 8m. So here also divided by 8m. So what is the variable first one? So here 4 table 2 times. This is 4 table 3 times. What is the balance one? Minus 3n divided by 2m. The first one. The second one here 2 table 5 times 4 times only. It is 5n divided by 4m. So the factors are, first write m as it is. The first factor is 2m minus 3n. The second factor is 4m. The denominator value is 4m. The numerator value is 5n. So this is the cubic only. So 3 factors. So m into 2m minus 3n, 4m plus 5n. So sixth question, 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 2 divided by xy. So first arrange the x square term, that is 1 by x the whole square, that is the x value is 1 by x, plus xy term, that is 2 divided by xy, plus the constant term, here the constant is y term is constant, so 1 by y square. So first identify the sum of the term, that is coefficient of x. So here the x value is 1 by x only, so the coefficient of 1 by x is 2 by y, that is coefficient of 1 by x is 2 by y. So the sum of the factor is 2 divided by y. So the product is the constant term. So the constant term is here 1 by y square. The sum of the factor is 2 by y. The product should be 1 by y square. So the factors are 1 by y, 1 by y. So 1 by y plus 1 by y, the answer is 2 by y. 1 by y into 1 by y, just you multiply the numerator, 1 ones are 1, y into y, y square. So the factors are, the first factor is, so here the variable x is 1 by x. So x can be written as 1 by x. The first factor is 1 by x plus 1 by y. The second factor also the same, that is x plus 1 by y. That is 1 by x. This is 1 by x plus 1 by y. So that is 1 by x plus 1 by y. So the 2 times only the whole square. So thank you students. We will meet the next video class.